Dapat gagamitin ko to kanina. Kahapon, I mean. Pero, hindi ko nagamit dahil ayaw mag-start. Thank you. So, dahil hindi ko siya nagagamit, medyo matagal ako dinagalit, nagkasakit ako eh. So, hindi ko siya nagagamit. Ayan, ayaw na mag-start, no? So, ano bang kailangan ko? Unang-una kasi dapat naka-battery tender to. Since may alarm system siya, na pag di ko dala tong ano ko, pag di ko dala tong key fob ko, no? Pag malayo sa akin yan, tutunog yan. Hindi mo? Yun yung alarm system na sinasabi ko. Kaya, nade-drain yung battery niya pag di laging ginagamit, no? Anyway, what I'm gonna do now is remove the battery. Yun lang. Tanggalin yung battery, try ko muna ipa-charge. Ayaw ko pa rin. I have to buy a new one, no? Ganun talaga. All you need is ito lang, Allen, and wait. And screwdriver, no? Ano naman kailangan para tanggalin yun. Okay, let's get started. So first, gusto ko tanggalin na lang itong mga ano ko, mga side panniers or bag, no? Para saddle bag, para hindi siya storbo. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, agad ko na yung bags niya. Medyo mas maluwag ng gumalaw, no? Then, I have to remove this one. The seats. There you go. Ano lang makita niya? So, ito yung fuse niya. So, I have to take it off para hindi siya mag-alarm. I'll show you pag di mo siya may proper way para tanggalin yun eh. Pero I'll show you pag di ko siya disengage, no? Bigla ko na siyang hugutin. See? Nag-ingay siya. So, I need the key, no? So, ang proper way niya to remove it is to turn the switch on, then remove it. Just like that. Hindi na akong ga-alarm yan. Then, turn it off again. Ganun lang. So, So, negative out first and negative last to plug in. No? Come on. There you go. Alright. Okay. Coming out. This is what I'm talking about. There's a clip here, so I have to span it out. Also one here. Anyway. Alright. Fucking heavy battery. Shit, man. Alright, so look. See? Everything is what do you call that? Is signatured. I mean, you can see a lot of things in the Harley that has its name on it or a logo in it. Anyway, that's it. I'll just have to have it charged. Alright, see you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Shaka everyone. Thanks mga kabiyahe. So now it's everything back in its place. Actually, not everything now. So I just want to try it first if it's okay now or what. So I just need this key. And then neutral. So it's good.